Need more friends with wings. All the angels I know put concrete in my veins. I'd always want shopping, sweet kicking. It's all about the brain. It's all about the mind. Perfect.
My poor baby. I had to get her a harness for the car ride. Come here. It's okay. Mama loves you. I just have to, put a harness on you so you're okay for a car ride. It's not tight. Come here, baby. Come over here. Your poor baby. I'm so sorry. I love you. I'm so sorry. I think we should show the battle damage to our viewers and Nicole too.
Wow.
Oh, there's someone who lost his room. So, you still love me, right? Say hi, Lava. As you can tell, she's wearing a corset. You can play the drums on her boobies. In your head. Camouflage. I think it had black in the way back.
They did?
I think. Yeah. Oh, that's dark green, blue, camo.
So should we go red and black?
Yes.
What do you think?
I like that.
You think she'll like it?
Yes. Or I'll take it from you and, she doesn't.
If she can wear green, she'll enjoy that.
And I do. This is my mother and my sister. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube!
Fetish night! Woo! Ghostbusters! They're gonna kick us out eventually from dancing Ghostbusters. Did you say goats? This is pretty weird. I gotta kill that weird frog. Ooh, red! Oh, it's just socks. I stop at everything red. Like a dog. Yes, we're looking for dog things for Halloween. Gotta love my family. I got pretty gay wings! Should I go with my boob fairy? I am pretty much the boob fairy tonight. My boobs are just like, I have a really good bra on. And my boobs are just like, hold the camera for a second.
Ask Ollie a black or camo.
Okay. Hold the camera!
I mean, red or camo?
Hold the camera. It's on. Just hold it. Did you turn it off?
Nope.
It's there. Having a wonderful bra tonight. The shoes and the boobies. That's my Halloween costume. Well, not really a Halloween costume, but yeah. I can't bend down on it!
See?
Can't bend down. Bye-bye!
Come on, he's for real. Come on, I need somebody. Somebody. Anybody?
Hey, why? Am I scared? I don't know.
Gus. You! I'm going to you know. Come here. Figure it out. And get some of your work.
It's so long. There's a reason around these. The reason we only have touch one side was out of it.
Oh, that's cute.
Very simple. You're going to do what I say when I say it, otherwise you're going to
There is a red box.
It's not kidding. Oh my God. You're going to
It's okay. She's letting her girlfriend in Washington State know what she's missing.
So what? I'm going up there tomorrow. And she doesn't know I'm taking her to Rocky.
You haven't warned her?
No, she doesn't think I am. She thought I was kidding.
Oh my God, she's such a virgin. You're going to scare the hell out of her. That
And-
should be awesome.
I have a feeling the police might get called.
Justin. God fucked me on that.
No.
I don't see any priests.
Across the street, there's a guy in a miter.
Oh.
Remember we saw him walking up the street? Define drinking.
That's one fucking trick.
Let's give her a hand. Take him up there and work with the Clyde.
She walked away, she's going, is that it? I've had better say it.
Ready? One. On three. On three.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, holy crap, that was awesome.
That was awesome.
I think we're
I
just
felt that.
for those who missed it.
Car.
I think they saw it in Tampa.
Why would you try to park there with all this? I'm not going to go around this Good point.
Sorry. I keep stuck here with my way.
Someone videotape this shit.
Alright, doing that.
Thank you.
1,
2, 3.
Woo!
Yes.
Damn it, I had him.
Justin. I need you guys to do it one more time. Glennis, can you film it for me, baby?
This stuff tastes like ass.
Yes, I know this.
Who wants to see him do it one more time? One person. Yes. Holy fuck, Jamie. What?
Oh, God. Oh, this will be funny.
Did you see this shit? Yes.
Distracted.
Remember, that's no swallow.
Swallowed, didn't you?
He spun it and put it out. Lighter! All right, gentlemen, ready? Count to 3.
1, 2, 3. Whoa. I felt that. Yeah.
You heard the first
I was over this. They're like, no. How are you? Yeah, I know.
Next year.